Last video. Had to put a new timer in. Pumps on. Pressure. That timer's off. That timer's off. There goes the pump off. Now our timer starts. I've got everything running on a real timer, and it's set at the minimum on both settings, which is a full cycle of 1 minute and 30 seconds. So this thing's going around in a circle in 1 minute and 30 seconds. I've got that timer that's timing the timer set at 75 seconds. So it goes off at about 15. I've got this new, in fact I got them all, the new pressure switches, and they're awesome because they've got an SPDP, just like a relay. So that eliminates a relay, and it actually makes the timer work right, because I burnt that one up last night, that 5 amp, smoked it. Big panic time. Now we got a 10 amp, and it's wired way, way better. So here we come down to 23 seconds. If the pump doesn't come on, the timer puts off the alarm, but the pump's on, lights on, timer's on, faking out everything, and it's going to be on for 20 seconds. And then if I give it pressure, as soon as the alarm comes on, there it is. Okay, so now we got good pressure. So 22 seconds ought to be enough time. So as long as there's pressure, life's good. Pump goes off. The timer that times the timer starts, and we start all over again. Yeah, I burnt that first timer up, the little 5 amp, because I had 100 foot of cable out to about 4 different alarms over there on the vise, and I had 4 or 5 alarms here. And I was running it in those over and over again cycles. I'm doing about 1,000 cycles a day right now. I'll run this thing overnight one more time, and if everything holds up good, then I'll tidy it all up and call it a wrap. That's it from the alarm experiment capital of the world, Great View, Washington. Over and out. Book 'em, Dano.